First time cooking grits. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I don't think I'm gonna like it because I don't like cornmeal and stuff, so whatever. Okay. Okay, I think these are done, but I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna eat them since I can't eat dairy anymore, which includes butter. These are gonna be boring, savory. I may end up just putting my chia seeds and shit on it. We'll see. Well, I got some basil. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it and see. Okay, we're gonna try these grits. I had cream of wheat as a kid. I've had like Jamaican cornmeal porridge and Guyanese cornmeal porridge and all that stuff. I didn't really like it, so anyway, first bite in years. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not the same as butter. I'm using basil, and it's actually creamy. I cooked it for 30 minutes low with a little bit of cashew milk because I can't do oat milk anymore either, along with no dairy. It's not bad. Okay, it's not as gross as I thought it was going to be. I'll work on my technique.